The morning sun peeked through the windows of Bright Star Elementary. As the children rushed into Miss Leela's classroom, buzzing with excitement. Today felt special, but no one knew why, until something magical happened. Right outside the window, glowing with sparkles and shimmering lights, stood the magic school bus. Painted with rainbow colors, swirling stars, and tiny dancing shapes. The bus door popped open with a ding, and the bus cheerfully said, "Good morning, explorers." The kids gasped. "Wow, the bus can talk," shouted Timmy, dropping his crayons. Miss Leela smiled gently. "Today, my brave scientists, we're going on an adventure to learn something amazing about our world." The children cheered. Even Bella the class bunny hopped excitedly in her little cage. Everyone climbed inside and the seats felt soft and warm like marshmallows. The bus lights glowed brighter. "Buckle up! Magic mode on," said the bus. With a whoosh of glitter, the magic school bus lifted into the air. Adventure 1. Inside the weather world first. The bus zoomed into a giant swirl of clouds. The kids watched raindrops dance, snowflakes twirl, and sunshine sparkle. Miss Leela explained, "Weather changes every day and each type of weather helps our Earth grow." The kids touched raindrops that felt like tiny cool kisses. They floated beside fluffy clouds that felt like cotton candy but without the sticky mess. They learned that rain helps plants grow, wind helps seeds travel, and sunshine gives us energy. The kids shouted, "Weather makes the world wonderful." Adventure 2. Shrinking into the human body. Suddenly, the bus shrank smaller than a jelly bean. It zoomed right inside Timmy's arm. "Don't worry, it didn't hurt at all." Timmy just giggled. Inside, they saw red blood cells carrying oxygen, white blood cells fighting germs like tiny superheroes, and muscles stretching like rubber bands. Miss Leela said, "Your body works hard every day to keep you strong. So eat healthy, stay active, and take care of yourself." The kids waved excitedly at the cells. One white blood cell flexed like a bodybuilder. Everyone laughed. "My body is strong. My body is smart. My body needs care." Adventure 3. Deep into the plant kingdom. With a twirl, the bus landed inside a giant flower. The children saw bees collecting nectar, roots drinking water, and sunlight turning into food through photosynthesis. Bella the bunny hopped up and sniffed a leaf, her nose wiggling cutely. Miss Leela explained, "Plants give us oxygen so we can breathe, and taking care of plants is like taking care of the earth." The kids gently touched the glowing green leaves and promised to water their class plants every day. Adventure 4. Flying through space. Next stop, space. The bus shot out of the Earth's atmosphere like a sparkly rocket. They flew past the moon, danced around the rings of Saturn, and waved at shooting stars. The kids learned about gravity, planets, and how Earth is the only home we have. Timmy asked, "Miss Leela, are we floating?" Miss Leela explained, "Yes, in space, there's no gravity pulling you down." All the kids giggled as they floated around like balloons. "Our planet is special. Let's protect it." With a final sparkle, the magic school bus returned to school. The kids hopped out, buzzing with excitement and new knowledge. Miss Leela gathered them together and said, "Learning is the biggest adventure of all. Every question you ask, every discovery you make, helps you grow stronger, smarter, and kinder." The kids shouted, "We are explorers!" And the magic school bus winked its headlights as if saying, "Adventure never ends. When you're curious, be curious. Ask questions, explore the world, and remember, learning is magic."